Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the lift points on a 2015 Subaru Outback. Let's look. So when you jack a car up, if you're using a floor jack, you never want to put it on a control arm or a rear trailing arm. This is at an angle and it will stay at that angle. You jack this up, it can slide right out. A lot of people, they don't think about it, but they put a jack on a differential. I say, nay, nay, don't do that. You could crack that housing and you're in a lot of trouble at that point. So you have, on the Subarus, you have two lift points, front and back. My lift jack is on it already. So where the pinch rail, that's what they call this part of the body, underneath here, you'll see little divots. You'll see little pinches of metal. So that's a good indicator. That's where you put the jack. And the same in the front. On this pinch rail, underneath where my jack is, there's little divots of metal. And it's the same on the other side. In the front, you've got a subframe. So you could, on the flat part, if you needed to, put a jack here, not on the control arm. So just think about it, be safe. And as we move up to the front here, past the control arm, like I said, you have the subframe. It's a good flat spot. You have the tow hooks on both sides. Do not recommend putting a jack on the tow hook. There's not a good lift point. It comes to a point, so there's no solid flat area. So that could be a little danger zone. Hopefully these points help you out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.